Scheme for voluntary donation contributions by Goan expatriates and non-resident Goans for the development of the state of Goa. ह्या स्किमीचें नांव आसा म्हजें गोंय, म्हजें गांव म्हजें गोंय. म्हजें गांव म्हजें गोंय म्हणजे जेंकां गोंयान स्किमी खातीर पयशे दिवचे आसतील आपल्या गांवांक जाल्यार ही रेग्युलरायज करणारी ही स्कीम आसा. NRI cell shall notify the scheme to Goan repatriates and non-resident Goans inviting voluntary donations, contributions for development of infrastructure of any project in a specific location or a specific project in any location. Project जे आसात ते कशे आसात, construction of additional classrooms, laboratories for school, libraries, renovation of school building, मागीर school infrastructure, provision of benches, मागीर desk, blackboards, laboratory equipments, water coolers, ceiling table fans, sports equipment, desktop computers, मागीर village library किंवा reading rooms, gymnasium, fitness centers, public toilets, construction of health centers, मागीर old age homes, drug and alcohol de-addiction centers, vocational centers for physically and mentally challenged, street lighting, high mast lighting, पंचायत घर, community hall, अशा गोष्टींचेर ह्या गोष्टींचो प्रोविजन केल्लो आसा. ही मॅनेज करपा खातीर a high level committee headed by Commissioner for NRI Affairs will consider the project proposal. To implement करता आसतना a proper memorandum of understanding shall be entered into by NRI cell before execution of the project, wherein all the terms and conditions with the donors, the executing agency and the ultimate end users, whether a local body or a government department or government aided institutions, shall be clearly stipulated. ह्या सगळ्या हेतून जो इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तयार जातलो ताची ओनरशीप will remain with the government आणि the project could be named after the person of the choice of the donor. कोणाच्या तरी स्मृती प्रित्यर्थ आसा जाल्यार ताका नांव दितले, बट तेची मालकी जी आसा ही सरकारा कडेन रावतली.